Today, we are diving into a renovated 3-bedroom condominium that is packed with style, cleverly spaced planning and some jaw-dropping features. This home is a smart home. If you like it, please continue watching.
Located right opposite Buangkok MRT station, Esparina Residences has a total of 9 blocks and 573 units. Residents can enjoy many facilities such as the clubhouse, gym, spa pool, lap pool, tennis court, thermal jacuzzi, and teppanyaki barbecue pits. Esparina Residences is right opposite Buangkok MRT, where it is only 3 minutes walk away. You can find the fully completed Sengkang Grand Mall with shops, childcare enrichment centre, hawker centre, community club, bus interchange, and a huge FairPrice finest supermarket. What's more, Punggol Park is just within walking distance, perfect for your morning jog or brisk walk session. As for families with children, there's a total of 5 primary schools within 1 km and 18 primary schools within 2 km. Namely, Holy Innocents Primary School, top 15, Rosai School, top 5, and Nanchao Primary School, top 13, is within 2 km radius.
By the way, this home is not just renovation, it's a reinvention. A smart, serene, superbly styled home where every detail tells a story. If you're looking for a home that is modern, luxe, move-in condition, and also zero compromise of space, this is the home you're looking for.
This unit is sized at 1,066 square feet and is perfect size for couples or families with children. A smart solution that's practical and elegant. Premium hinges and tracks, all from Bloom, known for quality and durability. Elegant wallpaper and flawless flooring throughout the whole entire unit, elevating the space with texture and warmth.
Welcome home. This entire home is a work of precision and passion. The transformation starts right here at the foyer. The original distribution box corner, gone. It's replaced with sleek, custom-built carpentries that provides ample storage and also a dedicated outer space right over here. And up next, this is the dining area. A ready-fitted comfy 6-seater dining area which you can have family meals, steamboat nights, and comes with conveniently placed switches. Also, a ceiling fan that's overhead to keep everyone cool. Alright, let's head back to the living area where the possibilities are endless. Can you see right here there's a very big and bulky piano? This piano can be transformed into any other spaces that you can think of. It can be an additional storage space, you can put a drum set here, you can have a study corner, you can have anything that you want because this space is not compromised. And after this additional space, we head to the direct main living area space. It's a very good sofa to TV distance once again, and it's perfect because the owners has a luxury high-end sound system integrated in this beautiful cozy corner. You can have amazing movie nights, late night screening, and it's perfect. And did I mention this home is a smart home? It comes with smart lighting, smart fans, and you can control by an app system. Timer settings at your fingertips. And right now, let's head to the $1 million spectacular view of this condominium. This is the best stack of this project Esparina Residences because it's direct, pool facing, very private, very quiet, serene, and this is the perfect floor level that gives you both greenery and pool view. Let's come over here to enjoy this magnificent view. Alright, let's head to the kitchen. But before heading the kitchen, we have an open pantry area right at this perfect corner that's fully utilized in every space in this home. And the owner has a wine cellar. Behind the wine cellar, we have very beautiful cove lighting and multiple switches that's perfect for your guests. And right here is a 2-door fridge. The owner is super meticulous because he customized in a way that there's extra buffer space if you homeowners would want a bigger fridge. The main switch of this fridge is not all the way to the back. It is brought up on top of this carpentry. K is for the kitchen main switch and the other switch is for the fridge. And right now, let's head into the dry kitchen where it brings a lot of brightness, ventilation and airiness because of this glass panel here that brings sunlight into this marvelous kitchen. Step in this marvelous renovation and you'll see that this whole area is fully renovated and customized. The original layout, the countertop is way below and lower, which only can fit a normal cabinet drawers. But right now, because of a customized, elevated up space, you get 3 drawers that is ample enough to put all of your cups, pots and pan, and we have 3 by 3. All of the carpentry, drawers, cabinets, wardrobe, the owner uses premium finishing, which is the Belam brand. Next, they also integrated branded appliances from Ariston, an induction hood and a gas stove, all by Ariston. Another smart and creative idea is they created this cove lighting all the way from the left to the right. And you will notice the countertop is not ordinary countertop, it's sintered stone. It is stain resistant and it's beautiful as it gives a modern and marble-like finish. This countertop links all the way to the backsplash, creating almost like a show flat condition kitchen. You'll be very elated to know that this is a fully fitted kitchen. It comes with the gas stove, the induction hood, and also a full oven that is a hybrid function of convection oven, steam oven, microwave oven, and it's by the branded Ariston. So if we go back into the kitchen, on this side you will notice a surprise. This place is also re-customized by the owner, where the countertop is fully elevated up to give you a nice washer-dryer area. And next, we have a very beautiful sink. This sink has 2 corners, one for drying, one for washing, and also a very nice cabinet that is modern, which is our jaw-dropping feature, which is a dishwasher. This dishwasher over here is very trendy. It's a new idea into our system where people want to integrate dishwasher but they do not have the space. So if you purchase this unit, it comes with this beautiful renovated.
Where the storeroom used to be, the owner has cleverly repurposed the space to expand the kitchen and create overhead storage. There's also a third bathroom space, now converted into a utility zone for hand washing clothes. Did you know that Esparina Residences is really undervalued? For a 3-bedroom at Sengkang Residences, it is transacted at 2.25 million and at a high of 2,224 per square feet. And the next asking price is at 2.388 million and already at 2,325 per square feet.
Furthermore, there may be an upcoming potential integrated project at Hougang Central, which we will be expecting a premium new launch price of today's market rate.
This site is of around 6.5 football fields and it may launch at the current market average of price 2,600 per square feet to $2,700 per square feet, rated of 2.6 million for an above 1,000 square feet unit. What's the selling price right here? For this layout, only at 1.95 million and at only 1,829 per square feet, the price per square feet difference between Sengkang Residences and Esparina Residences is currently at 395 per square feet, which may give you a conservative of at least $200 per square feet potential gains or 50% savings just to stay in a similar location.
Talk about clever design. This room combines luxe paneling with cove lighting, a built-in study nook, and a settee that doubles as storage, and the wardrobe straight out from a high-end boutique. Do not forget that the living room, 2 common bedrooms and the master bedroom all facing this magnificent direct pool view and greenery. Finally, introducing the master suite. Come on in. This beautiful renovated master bedroom comes with this brand new wardrobe where the owner meticulously designed in a modern luxe contemporary theme. You can see the edges here, very meticulous, very beautiful, just similar to a show flat designer suite. Another creative and intelligent way is you have 2 double drawers, ample storages if you want to keep your watches, any other thing that you can think of, you can hide in this compartment. Enough of the renovation. One thing that you will also notice that this is a king-size bed. Where to find a master bedroom nowadays to fit such a huge king-size bed and so much ample space of carpentry to play around? Only here. Now let's step into the corner here and you get this beautiful settee that's a hybrid function. The settee space where you can sit over here And you get storages at the drawers 1, 2, 3, and more to come. 4, 5, 6, 7, and a very nice wardrobe area where there's a mirror vanity inside. And to sum up, this room is not only fully renovated, but it also provides privacy in this home. It's the Pantry area, and we still can enjoy the magnificent pool view. Last but not least, I have a surprise to show you. And you have very nice cove lighting in this room. Perfect ambience. Entering the master bathroom. This master bathroom is enormously large in today's setting. It's very spacious, very airy, and even on a low floor level, you don't have any moisture problem because there is a ventilation and a window point over there. This bathroom is also have a pop of colors, beautiful gradient of tiles at the back, and modern design of the countertop and carpentry. Introducing another jaw-dropping feature. It's this rain shower that's integrated into this bathroom. This rain shower is meticulously designed because all of the pipings is inside of the bathroom, and with a large window at the top, it brings a lot of ventilation, airiness, and no moisture issue in this home. And to end off this home tour, do not forget that the common bathroom and the master bathroom comes with reputable branded sanitary fittings such as Saniton, Hansgrohe, and Toto. Alright, we come to the end of this home tour, and I hope you love this renovated 3-bedroom condominium here in Esparina Residences. If you like this unit, feel free to contact me. Once again, I'm Eunice here. I'm from Property 65. We uplift your home value, we sell higher.